Welcome to the Property Talk, where we make sense of the real estate industry. Like I told you earlier on, where we're filming from is Beko, the Beko showroom at Ginger Road. Now, if you've been thinking about electronics and you've been wondering what do I do with electronics, this is the time for you to ask all those questions, or this is the time for me to give you some of the answers that you need to know. You need the sophistication that comes with the products that you buy for your home. Now, on set with me is Enoch. Enoch, it's a pleasure having you on set.
You're welcome, Miss.
Who is Beko?
It's one of the brands which deals in electronics, and we in Uganda, located at Ginger Road under Kafkas Limited, we've been distributing in 140 countries. So in Uganda, we just only here with the sole distributors. So anyone who is interested in Beko, you feel free to come at Ginger Road opposite Tugumo House. And we're one of the most selling brand in all of Europe.
How have we gotten to that? What leads us to becoming number? I'm saying us because I already feel at home. I feel like I'm part of the Beko team already.
Why we number one? We look at the quality of the products we deal in, and then after sales service. Because remember, however much we are so much into original, but you never know. So after sales service, also we are equipped in case if you get any challenge, in case if you get any problem, in case if you fail to connect or assemble our products, we give that for free.
I'd like us to walk around because I am seeing a wide range of electricals and I want to know what exactly Beko deals in, because I can see cookers, I can see refrigerators, I can see deep freezers, I see microwaves, I see kettles. I want to know, what does Beko deal in?
We deal in big appliances, which are the air conditioners, and also in small appliances, we have the toasters, we have the kettle. So it's a wider entity. Anything you want in electronics, you're fully covered with Beko. Yes, since we mentioned that we have a wider range of cookers in different sizes, we have this unique one. It's a 60 by 90 centimeters. On top, our cooker, it's fully gas. It has 4 gas plates and 1 wok. 1 wok is the bigger one, but the whole thing is fully gas on top. All our 3 cabinets are electricity. So we have this bigger, we have this one here, and we have this one here. This one strictly, it is used for grilling. Then these 2, they can as well do grilling, this and that, but mostly because for them they are fan supported, so they are more suitable, mostly baking, because the fan helps to circulate the heat evenly in the oven. And when you look at the topper part of it, it has a failure valve, that is one. It has this failure valve, this one here. In case if you leave the gas on, this failure valve, in 60 seconds, it will sense that the flame is not there, so it will cut the gas off.
So without mentioning brands, we have a lot of electrical brands on the market. What makes Beko stand out? What's the difference? Because I can see aircon machines there. I will not lie, I do not know the difference. I do not know their usage or anything like that. But what makes you different?
So what makes our Beko air conditioners different is, first of all, we have a wider range from 12,000 BTU to 24,000 BTU. All the 3 models we have, they are wall split. That's one.
What do you mean by wall split?
Wall split, the way you see it, is supposed to be splitted on the wall.
Okay.
So there is wall and also cassette. But ours, at the moment, is wall split. The way you see it is splitted on the wall. Then what makes us unique to other brands which are in the market, ours are inverted.
Okay.
If it's an inverted aircon, 1, it saves power. Secondly, it consumes out the hot air in the room and then pumps in a cold air. So that makes ours unique as well. They are jet heat and then jet cold.
Let's move on to this section. I see we have, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different refrigerators. What's their difference? What's their capability?
So also in fridges, we have a wider range of the double door fridges. These are called the double door fridges. Double door, it means up and then down. But we have, there are 2 classes. We have the other first one there. This, yes.
They look the same almost. What's their difference?
Yeah, but the difference are inside here.
Okay.
So the technology used in this is not the same technology used in this. In this, the technology is a ProSmart compressor inverter. Okay. In this is a Neofrost dual cooling. Neofrost dual cooling, it means in the saturation of the air when it's in the process of cooling or freezing, each compartment has an outlet. Whereas these ones here, if you look at this, it's one entity. It doesn't have that ventilation.
Now, there you have it. I will not lie. The technical terms, all I understood is ventilation, air freezing. That is all I understood. But if you're out there and you know your refrigerator very well, you know its needs, its demands, then you should come down to Beko because they'll explain to you the differences, the needs, and the sophistication of each refrigerator. When I always saw it's a different range of refrigerators, same color, same pattern, not knowing that they actually function differently. The first time I got to your showroom, I looked at this table setting. I was so confused until I actually learned that it was just to enhance the showroom.
True.
So, with all this in mind, what is the plan for Beko in Uganda? You have this showroom here. Is there any potential plan to actually go outside of where we are right now? Or are we thinking that this is where we're going to stay and not expand?
Since we are the sole distributors in Uganda, we were looking at opening another showroom, which is at Arena. And also, we want also to penetrate the market to the dealers, to the small shops. So we want to cover the whole Uganda. So our target is to be number one also in Uganda.
So currently, do you have any other locations other than this one at Ginger Road opposite
Yes,
House?
we soon opening Arena very soon. We shall let you know, but
Okay.
very soon. Right now, this is the head office, but soon we're opening up another showroom in Arena.
How user-friendly are your products?
They are so simple. Then secondly, they are original. So if you starting to buy one of our Beko products, you won't get disturbed, you won't get issues. But just in case, also the service is provided. So they are so friendly.
The one thing I loved about this place is this deep freezer. You know, when you have a fridge and has a freezing section, that's all I've on. But I loved this deep freezer. I love that it has a lock that I can lock and keep everything I want in here tucked neatly away.
Yeah.
And then that I can also lock it.
Yes.
You get? So for my son who has a sweet tooth, ice creams, chocolates, and I can lock them away. But also for things that I want to keep safely away, and I can lock and keep the key on me as opposed to the refrigerator that has no key. So just come down to their showroom on Ginger Road and live with this. And before you actually live with this, let me just get in touch with Enoch, and then I'm going to show you something else you're going to come down here and live with. Enoch.
Our Beko freezers, they are not only freezers, but as well they are fridges.
Wow.
So our freezer gives you two options. It's
Okay.
either fridge and a freezer. You just need to regulate here. It gives you two options dependent on how you want to use it. If you want your things to get frozen, then you put in freezer. If you want your fridge to just get cold without freezing, then you just adjust to the fridge. If I can move you in, it has sliding doors, these sliding glasses. The purpose mostly for these sliding glasses, if you leave your door open the way it is, these sliding glasses, when they are fully slided to the edge, it will preserve the coldness for longer time. So
Wow.
hence, it won't be consuming much power. Because
Wow.
most of the freezers, without these sliding glasses, if you open the door, it doubles the power
And that's
consumption.
what we have on the market. Majority of what we have on the market
So
is
Beko
that.
thought about that.
I like that.
Beko thought about that.
I like that. Most times we buy freezers and then we do not have anything to freeze. It's useless. It's redundant. But this is multifunctional. You can use it as a two-in-one. It can work as your freezer. It can work as your refrigerator. Now, the other product I want us to look at, if you just come with me. Now, they cater to all colors. Don't come and say, no, my color is not there. Yeah, if you're the one that loves the blacks, the grays, and all, you're sorted. If you love the neutral colors, the whites, the nudes, you're sorted. And if you love a pop of color, you're also sorted. I love these sets.
So the idea behind this, the world is going to another level. So we looked at the setting of a kitchen. So if someone wants a toaster, if someone wants a kettle, we looked at a combination of the colors. So we thought in the market, because if you move around, you'll find that a toaster is in different color, then the other is in a different color. But so for us, it was in our thinking that it's better if someone looks at the colors, it's better you either concentrate on the white or black. So also the toaster has to match.
I like that. And I like the shape. I like the design. I like the texture on them. Just everything is so beautiful about them. It's those small things that you have in your house and they enhance the value of your property. They enhance the value of your kitchen. And not forgetting the brand itself. There's having something, there's having a product in a house, and there's having a brand in a house. So, in your closing remarks, Enoch, what do you have to say to the audience out there?
To our lovely customers, once again, Kafkas Limited, we have after-sales service in case if you come to buy our product. However, we are number one in Europe, so we so much look into that, being number one in Uganda. So anyone who is interested in buying our products, we have a reserved parking in front of our showroom. We have another parking behind our showroom. So feel free Don't get disturbed that the parking is not there, that my car will, the indicators will be stolen. So everything we thought about it. And also, since we want to be number one in Uganda, we are opening up a new showroom on Arena Mall. So anyone interested, very soon we shall let you know the dates, and you are welcome.
And to the online shoppers, where are you located? How can they find you?
We are on all social platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Follow us on Kafkas Limited and also Beko.ug.
If you want to actually visit the showroom, they're on Ginger Road opposite Kitugum House, and they have ample parking space. And what I can also say is their location is easy to navigate. But anyway, this is a brand that you like to associate with. This is a brand that when you associate with, you feel comfortable. You know you have quality. You know when they tell you buy a Mercedes Benz, I'm sorry to other car owners, no offense, I won't mention brands, but you know when they tell you buy a German car, you're not buying a car, you're buying a lifestyle, you're buying timelines, you're buying comfort, you're buying credibility, you're buying safety. This is what I'll say. When you buy a brand like Beko, you're buying comfort, you're buying a lifetime, you're buying class, you're buying, you're buying so much than just the kettle or just the toaster. That is what I can say.